Question number 4 of the exercise. Differentiate x raised to power x minus 2 raised to the power sine x with respect to x. Now see, let y is equal to x raised to power x minus 2 raised to the power sine x. Put u is equal to x raised to power x and v is equal to 2 raised to power sine x. We can substitute like this. Now y is equal to u minus v. If we differentiate with respect to x, this is equal to dy upon dx, which is du upon dx minus dv upon dx. Now we will find the value of du upon dx and dv upon dx and put here in a 1. This is very simple. Because there are two functions, we cannot apply directly here the logarithmic method. So we have substitute the two functions separately. U is equal to x raised to power x. So take log both sides. We will take logarithm both sides. Log u is equal to log x raised to the power x, which means which is equal to x into log x. So this is first function, this is second. Now we will apply the product rule. Differentiate this with respect to x. So 1 upon u into du upon dx, which is equal to first function, derivative of first function is 1 into log of x plus derivative of first function into the second function plus first function into derivative of second function. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. So we can cancel. So it becomes log x plus 1 or 1 plus log x. So we can write here du upon dx is u into 1 plus log x. But u is equal to x raised to power. So x raised to power x into 1 plus log x. So suppose this is the second result. Now third. V is equal to 2 raised to power sine x. We know derivative of a raised to power x is a raised to power x into log of a to the base e. So dv upon dx is a raised to power x means 2 raised to power sine x into log of a means 2 to the base e into here in place of x there is a sine x. So derivative of sine x is a cos x. So this is the derivative of this function. Therefore dv upon dx is 2 raised to power sine x into log of 2 to the base e into cos x. Now put this value, this is suppose our result, put this in 1 from 1 to 3 from see here. Now see v is equal to 2 raised to sine x is equal to dv upon dx is 2 raised to power sine x into log of 2 to the base e, because derivative of a raised to power x dy x is a raised to power x into log of a to the base e. So this is the standard result here we will use. So put these values here in the relation number 1. From 1, 2 and 3 we get dy upon dx is equal to du upon dx is equal to x raised to power x into 1 plus log x minus, now here is we will write 2 raised to power sine x into log of 2 to the base e into cos x answer. So this is the derivative of the given function.